I have this Farm Rio dress here. I hate the fit of it. To make it short, I would wear it a lot more. Luckily, I have the stripes to use as a guide, so I am going to go under the yellow. Wherever you think you're going to cut it, you cut it a little bit longer. This is exactly what I like, and I am going to reach for this so much more than I would have because now I actually like it. Super easy upcycle, right? Let's try something else. We have this t-shirt here. The sleeves are me. The sleeves are very much me, and that's why I picked it up when I was thrifting it. The color is me, but the fit, the shape, not really feeling it. So we're gonna cut it. To just do a simple crop, but I have another idea for this, especially because of the intricate sleeve. Slit right up the front, and we're going to tie it. That was a simple fix, and it's so much cuter to me. And these pants are probably over 5 years old, but I have just fallen in love with them for the first time all over again because I just cropped this top and it goes so nicely with it. And that's what happens. Not only do you give yourself new life with the shirt, but then whatever you pair with it comes back to life too. Green pairs so well with earth tones, perfect for spring, but also pastel. A little baby pink for Easter or Mother's Day, and so good with baby blue. Pair it with brown accessories, perfection. Now let's finish accessorizing. I always love something a little retro or boho. I'm gonna pull in these glasses that have a tortoiseshell feel. Again, keeps it warm and goes really well with cream. I play with shapes with the earrings and also balance the colors happening. Tends to be a rule of three well in fashion. So either three colors to your outfit, and you see how I have three going on right now: big hat, glasses, big earring. I'm going to keep it a little bit more minimal around my neck. The outfit itself is very minimal. We got a tank top and some pants, but adding these little elements and playing with color layers the look to make it more interesting. You don't need to spend a lot of money to look good. My pants are thrifted and so are the shoes. Love it, love it, love it. It's effortless, it's chic. It's an outfit formula that you can easily replicate. May not have a million links for you to shop, but I will give you inspiration because what? We shop our closet. Now, always leave room for the unexpected. I'm going to do a pop of green. You know, I like my bright colors, and I think this just makes it a little bit more interesting. Opposite colors on the color wheel are complementary. But I know you don't want to wear red and green because you're just thinking of Christmas. So if this is not your speed, try this. Same concept, but maybe you feel a little bit less festive. And another thing about color, we're very quick to say, oh, this color doesn't suit me. Colors have range. You can't just write off the color green without trying in different tones. And I know color association is real, so you still probably think it's a little Christmassy. So we're going to bring in other elements that make it look very eclectic and pull away from the Christmas theme. Leopard print, bold frame, statement earrings, an unexpected shoe, and a wild card bag. Let's look at the full look. I know it can be pretentious when people say those that get it, get it.
But this is one of those looks.
It actually feels very Sex in the City to me. You've got the perfect denim and you want to cut them into short shorts, but don't want them to look like a diaper. So you're going to start by putting on your jeans and then drawing your lines from the back first so you can see how long is your comfort zone and then the front. Now what we're going to do to cut them is we're going to do a little slit in front of the seam and cut across. Now, as you'll notice, it'll be a little bit like a mullet where it's short in the front and long in the back. And I also take it into the inseam a little bit longer so that when you're sit, it's not riding up so much. It's very slight, but it does make a difference. While I do want the back to be longer than the front, I don't want the staggered hem to be too obvious. So I'm going to take it up a little bit more. And that's something I will do right before I do my final cut. The final look. I love how it looks in the front. And as you wash them, they do fray a little bit, so keep that in mind. And then as I turn to the side, as you it kind of goes down slightly. That is after I adjusted. Get the coverage that I want in the back while also having that shorter look in the front. And these are high-waisted, so if I wanted to pull them up a little bit shorter, I could do that. And as an extra little tip, if you like the balance of a short, but you want to keep it a little classy, add a shirt. What I like to do is crop the front by just tying it, but keeping the back out for a little bit of coverage and super chic. Want to stand out in a crowd, have to pair the pieces that don't make sense together. Soft and whimsy, and the color is a little moody. Bubblegum pink, broad-shouldered blazer. This, it just feels like somebody's playing dress up in their parents' closet. You just have to tweak the presentation. Pull up the arm so it's not so big. already making a little bit more sense because you want to show a little bit of arm because you're doing a dress, which means it's dress season. Brown and bubblegum pink are not a typical combo, but what it makes me think of is everyone's favorite ice cream if you were a child growing up in the 90s, and that is the Neapolitan ice cream that you had at every birthday party. Nostalgia always brings an outfit together. So we're gonna bring in our third color. When in doubt, stick to 3 colors. That just works well on the eyes and tells a story. But of course, some fashion pairings are just innate, and I don't know how to explain it to you. White shoes with this? No. We're gonna do brown to just kind of melt into the look and pick up the brown dress. And this is what I call effortless cool girl styling. As your thrift whisperer friend, yes, the blazer is thrifted, and the blazer is the perfect thing to find at a thrift store. Perfect way to look stylish on a budget. There's something about opposite elements that just pair nicely. If you found this helpful, like and save, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.